Tax planning is crucial for financial well-being. It's not just about paying your taxes on time, but also about strategizing to reduce your tax burden. It helps you keep more of your hard-earned money, which can be used for other financial goals like saving for retirement or investing in your future. By understanding tax laws, you can make informed decisions that align with your financial objectives. This knowledge empowers you to take control of your finances. These decisions will minimize your tax liability and maximize your savings. Effective tax planning can lead to significant financial benefits over time. Planning throughout the year is much better than scrambling at the last minute. Consistent planning helps you stay organized and avoid unnecessary stress. Early planning allows you to take advantage of available deductions and credits. This proactive approach ensures you don't miss out on potential savings. It also helps you avoid costly penalties for missed deadlines or incorrect filings. Proper tax planning is an essential part of a sound financial strategy. Many people fall into common tax pitfalls, which can lead to significant financial consequences if not addressed properly. One common mistake is failing to keep accurate records of income and expenses throughout the year. This oversight can lead to missed deductions and inaccurate tax filings, which may result in paying more taxes than necessary or facing audits. Another pitfall is waiting until the last minute to file taxes, causing unnecessary stress and potential errors. This procrastination increases the risk of errors and missed deadlines, which can lead to penalties and interest charges. It's also important to understand the different tax deadlines that may apply to your situation, including quarterly estimated payments for self-employed individuals. Missing these deadlines can result in penalties which can add up quickly and create additional financial strain. Several effective tax planning techniques can save you money. One technique is to maximize contributions to retirement accounts. Contributions to 401ks and IRAs can lower your taxable income. Another strategy is to take advantage of tax credits for education expenses, child care, and energy-efficient home improvements. These credits directly reduce your tax liability, leading to significant savings. Section 4. Bell's Accounting, your partner in tax planning. Navigating the complexities of tax laws can be challenging. With ever-changing regulations and intricate details, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Bell's Accounting, Tax, and Notary Services provides expert guidance and support. We are dedicated to helping you understand and manage your tax obligations. Our team of experienced professionals can help you develop a personalized tax plan. We take the time to understand your unique financial situation. We stay updated on the latest tax laws and regulations. This ensures that you are always in compliance and can take advantage of any new opportunities. Our goal is to help you minimize your tax liability and achieve your financial goals. We work closely with you to create strategies that align with your objectives. We offer a wide range of services, including tax preparation, planning, and consultation. Whether you're an individual or a business, we have the expertise to assist you. Let Bell's Accounting be your trusted partner in navigating the complexities of tax planning and achieving financial success. Section 5. Take control of your taxes today. Don't let taxes control your finances. Take control by subscribing to our channel for more valuable tax tips. Like this video if you found it helpful and share it with your friends and family. Contact Bell's Accounting, Tax, and Notary Services today for a free consultation. Let us help you navigate the complexities of tax season and keep more money in your pocket.